time. Now also, you can take the whole thing and wear it like a hat like this, which is great. You can also tuck the top bit in as well, just like that, which is great. You can take it off.
Hello guys! Oh God!
Theo here, it's got a stick as well, which is great.
And it's red!
You can put it on and have it like a headband so you can keep the top of your head cold.
But if you have a stick
obviously,
like this stick, you can
wear
put
it
it in your
just
coat
covering your nose.
and you
back
can
bit
keep it in there and
So
no
you got
one
a nice
can
little
find
face
it.
cover as well. They're so versatile,
And no one
so
knows
useful.
how to done it.
And at the end of it, once you take it all off, you can just wrap it around your wrist and carry it around like that, like a little armband as well, bandana.
And if you
Okay,
want
thanks
to
for
know how to
watching.
do this,
Obviously